Good morning, students. We are taking up today the fundamental approach for case study in BST for 11th and 12th both. Most of the students they get stuck up while solving case studies. So this is a generalized version for both 11th and 12th in BST, and then specifically I'll be taking up for 11th and 12th along with the questions for every chapter with different variety one by one. So right now it's only an introductory aspect of what case study is in BST for 11th and 12th. And then we'll be taking up how to handle case study with the smart planning. So when we talk of case studies, the solution is within the case. I've put up lens, that means you have to read in between the lines of the question to identify the answer. Everything is there. Only thing is your presentation, your identification is important. Now, this case study involves not only a simple paragraph that you see, but before a case study is developed, you go through various research methods, criterias, data, evidences, and it is only then for a subject with the concerned knowledge, you go for a conclusion. So, if we say case study is an in-depth investigation of an individual subject, and here when we say individual subject, we are talking about BST. It can be done on any subject or topic to have a practical exposure. So for giving practical exposure to the children on the theoretical part, we have three approaches. We have project work, we have AIL, and this case study. And all the three are included in your CBSE pattern. Now the question comes, why case study? Don't we need a cricket ground for practicing cricket, swimming pool for swimming, hockey ground for practicing hockey, cycling track for cycling, and similarly in business organizations, before you actually work into your professional career, these sort of case studies related to live business organizational problems, which we say is in basket problem, helps you. So it is a trailer of what you are going to see in real life situation. So there, what you could see that it is a good decision taken by CBSE to check the learning, and it is 2012-13 that they started with this, that to check the learning and creativity and the interest skills of the student, case studies were provided as a useful insight into the reality of the business world. Students were easily able to understand the gravity of the topic. Case studies was provided to the students for the realistic feel of what business studies is. Furthermore, and in fact, I would like to put a point over here. Of all the subjects, BST was the first in which case study was being included. Later on in all the subjects, it was being taken up by CBSE. Adding to the craze and the taste about cracking such interesting case studies, it has increased the healthy competition among students, and now indirect questions has made it more difficult to get 100 marks in this subject. As a result, case study is a situation given to a person and how you respond to that. The way you present your answer with reference to the context given in the book or the question is important. So case studies have made a great challenge and interest for the students to gain good position in competitive world. And the starting is from your 11th and 12th. It has made it easy for CBSE to filter the different levels of student. We are curtailing rot mugging up here. So, our respected CBSE authorities had given an NCERT book for 11th and 12th, which covers the segments of business studies and even more mandatory for a child to learn about practicing business. Also, it is most noteworthy subject as it covers financial market, financial management and marketing management in class 12. But the platform is from the 11th itself. 11th is giving you platform. And case studies could be of different types: enterprise level, organizational level, functional level, success story of a real, for example, Sri Leathers we can take up, how from rags to riches they have moved, cases of failures of different companies and analyzing the reason of failure, then merger and acquisitions, then subject related case studies. Now, this is very important. This is very important that while you are dealing with case study, first is read carefully without any predisposition, cool and calm. कोई पहले से दिमाग में बात मत लाइए. Don't see the question first. I'm not in favor of it. First read it carefully. Then try to identify, once you see the question, after reading the paragraph, identify the chapter. This is the biggest important thing because most of you come to the conclusion very fast. Identify the chapter. Then within that chapter, what is the topic that you decide. Then be calm, take your time in deciding. Then see all the keywords which are there in the question pointing towards your answer. Pointing towards your answer, and finally find out the answer. This part is at your mental level that you have to do. Mental level. Then comes the presentation part, which we'll be taking up later on. That knowing and finding the answer is one thing. How you are putting it up step by step is important. So in case study, you have to be a good translator, reading without drafting any opinion beforehand, then write answers with reason, whether asked or not. This is very important. Because if it is a multiple option question, then if your logic is right and your answer is not matching with that of what is said in the board, still you will get marks. Then questions having multiple answers. What I am saying right from the beginning also, open-end questions, multiple option questions. Play a safe game of putting note. Nobody will have any negative marking. That is your opinion, your assumption on which you are sorting. Then question demanding your opinion. No need to be in a hurry. Your answer is always right. Opinion मांग रहा है ना? Maybe my opinion is not matching with yours. What is your view on a particular thing? My view is this. So there, please never be on a stereotyped mode of answering. Your view, your approach is important. Now, normally what happens? See how the marking pattern goes. Normally, if it is a 6 marks, which is the maximum to be allocated, there if we are putting 3 things, identify the concept, quote the line and explain the concept. And the question is of 6 marks. Be very clear, because if the internal detailing is not given, you have to understand half of half each. 1.5 into 4 is equal to 6. This way you will go. If there are 4 points, and then it goes with 1.5 each. So accordingly, if you are not quoting, you will lose half there. If you are not explaining, you will lose half there. I mean, you know it, but you have not put it properly. So all the three with specific clarity in your presentation. Identify, then next line, quoting lines, supporting lines, and then the explanation of the concept. Now, when we talk of further higher level, we have various, of course, for CBSE it is not yet to this extent that we have to go, that we have resources, we have additional material, we have layout design and finished document. This is only when you take up management that we go for. In MBA courses, for 11th, 12th, it is not that important. So if we see, a case study is a description of an actual administrative situation involving decision to be made or a problem to be solved. It could be of different types: illustrative, exploratory, cumulative, critical. And the more your question pattern is changing, the options are increasing for all. Earlier it was illustrative and exploratory only which was given. Now we talk of cumulative and critical also. Then read the question to absorb stating paragraph, background information, area of interest on the functional part, specific problem, alternatives giving, and now what is the advantage of case study? Why CBSE has implemented it? A question comes, पहले तो ठीक ही चल रहा था. Give difference in between this and this, 4 marks. Explain this point, 5 marks. In charity, marks was being provided. And those students were not successful in higher studies. So it develops a reading skill with analytical and logical approach, developing strategic planning skills. They are all interlinked. Here I have put up in points that strong reading skill, analytical skill, logical thinking, strategic planning, but they are all interrelated. It facilitates learning from the student side and enhances the domain of learning experience. Further, coherence in the thought process, good communication skill of the children is developed, confidence and art of public speaking if you are having group discussion, developing the skills and the confidence that is required. Of course, it is for the college level, for placement, and develops thinking, planning and implementation aspect. So how to solve this? Case studies, depending upon the informations, on the basis of data, graph, event, reasons for the success or failure. Then focus on different types of analysis. We'll be dealing while we are dealing with the chapters. SWOT analysis is strength, weakness, opportunity, threat. When we are taking up environmental analysis, then is test analysis, political, economic, social and technological part. Then is financial, then is ratio analysis and other type of analysis. These as and when we'll be taking up chapters, we'll be coming up with that. So the process of case study is reading, jotting down points, analyzing. If it is a topic of environment, then environment. analyzing the industry or the sector where you are talking about, and the products or the services concerned. Solutions में remember that there may be multiple solutions. Open mindset के साथ पढ़ना है, and you have to give solutions. Your solutions must not be affected by your preconceived notions about success or failure. This is very important. पहले से दिमाग नहीं बनाना है. And give solutions that are relevant and can be practically implemented. So thank you very much. This was a brief review. Of course, for this 21-22, the pattern even for MCQ has changed with case-based MCQ, where all the more you have to focus on this case study. So thank you very much for this generalized video for 11th and 12th. Individually, we'll be now coming up with questions and how to solve them. Thank you. Stay tuned, and if you like my video, please subscribe and share.